Hello and welcome to the Compulsive Investor channel. Today we're going to talk about how to purchase a rental property with a credit card. This is not a method that you can do just like that. It takes some time to build up your credit in order to do this. But step one is to be responsible with your credit. The key to that is being consistent, being compulsively consistent with paying your credit card bill at the right time. This is as soon as you get that bill. Don't wait till it's almost going to be late. You want to pay that as soon as you can. And you want to consistently ask for credit increases. You want to keep your credit report locked or frozen when you do this so that they don't do any hard pulls. Now, it's okay to do hard pulls with some credit cards. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But what you're doing is building overall credit worthiness with that lender or with the credit card issuer. You're showing that card issuer that you are responsible and you can handle higher credit limits. I want to talk about my Bank of America card. This card will give you increase after increase after increase. Now, sometimes they will do a soft pull, and other times they're going to want to do a hard pull on your credit. So you want to plan these requests accordingly. Right now I have a $35,000 limit on this card. So yes, I can purchase a property with this card. And this is how I do it. Bank of America will give you 3% balance transfers for 18 months. And you can get this cash in a couple days depending on whether you do it online or use one of their checks that they send you in the mail. If you do it online, it's faster, and that way you have time to put in an offer on a property. A seller is going to want to see that you have proof of funds to purchase that property. So if you're planning on purchasing or putting in an offer on a property, you're going to want to probably do this at least a few days in advance. Get that money into your bank account and ready to purchase. It does not have to be seasoned. It only has to be there and show that it's ready to be spent. Step two is to purchase the rental property. This video here shows why it is advantageous to purchase that property with cash. Then I do what's called the BRRRR method, BRRRR, 4 R's. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. Once you get a tenant in that property, you have it refinanced by an asset-based lender. Again, I've got another video showing how to do that. Now at this point, you can either pay off that credit card, or remember, you've already paid interest for 18 months, and that's a deductible expense. So you could continue to use that money to buy your next property. I like to pay about 1/18 of the balance. So for that card, it'd be like $1,700 or something like that per month. That way I know that that card is going to be paid by the end of that 18-month period. And this is how you purchase a rental property with a credit card. If you like this video or got anything from it, please like and subscribe down below, and that way you won't miss out on any future tips. Again, this is the Compulsive Investor channel.